Okay, dear students, so this is a brief explanation about calculating the annual percentage rate because I received a question from a student. So here how it goes. So you see here to the left, R is the approximate APR, annual percentage rate, because using this formula, it's not the best way to get the APR, but it's approximate, it's very close. So, using a calculator gives you a much accurate result. And then N is the number of payment periods in 1 year. So this N is equal to 12 if we're talking about monthly payments, and it's equal to 52 if we are talking about weekly payments. I is the total dollar cost of credit. So this include interest rate, the interest you paid, and any other points, any other fees that you pay for the loan. Okay, so it's the total dollar cost of the credit. P is the principal, it's the amount of the loan, and capital N is the total number of payments scheduled to pay off the loan. So if your loan is 2 years, for 2 years, and you have monthly payments, then this capital N would be 24. Okay? So let's start with this first example, and it's I took it directly from the book. So you have a loan, $100 loan, paid off in equal monthly payments over 1 year. So the small n, the minuscule n, is 12, and then capital N is also 12. And here you have the formula. So when you just plug in those numbers, you get the APR, the annual percentage rate, equal to 18.46%. How did we get this? If you look here, we followed the formula. 2 times 12 from here times 10. How did we get 10? I didn't say here that the interest was 10%. So it's 10% times $100. This gives you 10. So this is the I-10. P is the principal, $100, and this loan will be paid off over 12 months. Okay? So this is the response to this question. Now, if we're talking about the same loan, but payments will be made over 2 years instead of 1 year, then small n, the minuscule n, will be 12, and capital N is 24. Okay, so R, the APR, is 2 times 12 times 20. Now, why is it 20? It is the simple interest rate of $100 times 10% times 2. Okay, this is the simple interest. So it's $20 divided by the principal, which is 100, over, now we have the capital N, 24 plus 1, and you get the result as 19.2%. If you want to change this to a percent, you just do that. Okay? So hopefully this makes sense to you. And this one, I took it from the homework assignment. So Joshua borrowed $2,100 for 1 year and paid $105 in interest. The bank charged him a service charge of $18. If Joshua paid the $2,100 in 12 equal monthly payments, what is the APR? And this is for 1 year, right? So how much is the finance charge? How much is this I? It's the total cost, dollar cost of the credit. So it is $100, 5 the interest rate, plus the service charge of $18. You have $123. You apply the formula, guys. It's the same. 2 times 12, because we're making 12 monthly payments, times the total cost of the credit, because it's interest plus service charge, right? Divided by the principal, which is 2,100, times 12, because it's 12 payments over 1 year. So the response, or the answer, is 10.8%. I hope this makes sense to you guys, and if it doesn't, please send me a question. Okay? Thank you.